Hey everybody guys, it's me, GC, doing a Sonic Boom theory. What if Sonic Boom was in another universe? Well, we know it's probably in a different universe to the canon, but what if it's in Blaze's universe? Oh, and I got a bunch of pictures too. This is just the one I'm starting off with. And then, what if, because we haven't seen the Chaos Emeralds yet. No Sonic gave us Chaos Emeralds. Sonic isn't as fast. Sonic and Amy actually have a relationship. Put the two and two together, and it seems like it's an entirely different canon. Do you want me to show you another picture? Okay. Bam! A bam! I just found all these funny pictures. Well, fun pictures. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? Because this could be real. Like, we haven't seen Blaze yet, and Blaze spends a lot of time in Sonic's dimension. And in between the two. She's not really seen in her own dimension. And also, but if the only thing that puts this away from the fact that it could be in a different universe is Shadow. You didn't see that coming, did ya? Shadow is the same Shadow, looks like the same Shadow from the whole entire other canon. But he has a different voice. He has a different attitude. And pretty much all fits together.